In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wise account notifications. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Access your Wise account on the web or open the Wise mobile app and sign in with your account credentials. I'll leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Click your profile icon or name and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Open Notification Settings. Find and click on the Notifications section in the Settings menu. Step 4. Review notification categories. Explore the different notification types: transfers, balance updates, card activity, news, and promotions. Step 5. Customize your notification preferences. Toggle notifications on or off for email, app, push notifications, and in-app alerts for each category. Step 6. Save your settings. Confirm and save your notification preferences to start receiving updates. Now I have some tips for you. Always keep critical notifications like suspicious activity enabled. This is for your own safety. Use push notifications for real-time alerts about transfers and card use. And periodically review your notification preferences to keep them up to date. And that's how you set your notifications on your Wise account. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.